Hello everybody, today I have a brand new Equotip Live UCI HV1 to HV10 kit with me. Let's have a look what is inside. Wow, here is the black kit with the Proceq logo on it. Looks high quality. And what else? Here is the calibration certificate of the probe. Let me open this kit. Whoa, it's super light. Whoa, wow, here is the probe. I like the design. Looks quite cool. So here is a Bluetooth module. It connects the probe directly with the Equotip Live app on your phone. And as you see here, the diamond indenter is protected very well. What else is there? A standard AA rechargeable battery, which you can put inside the probe. The battery is flight safe, so you can take your probe everywhere in the world. Here is a Proceq strap. You can connect it with your probe, and on the other side, put it on your wrist. It's just like your digital camera. And what else is there under the foam? A USB cable. You can connect your probe to the PC. So whenever there is a new version of the firmware of the probe, you can easily upgrade it. And what are there on the upper lid? Let me see. Well, it's a quick start guide with different languages. Now the box is empty. If you want to know more about Equotip Live UCI, please comment under this video. Bye bye, see you next time.